The conflict in Yemen has taken a new turn. The United Arab Emirates has announced it will withdraw its remaining counter-terrorism forces from the country, signaling a major shift in its role in the decade-long war. The UAE says the withdrawal will be voluntary, coordinated with its partners, and carried out safely as tensions rise among regional allies. The announcement came from the UAE Ministry of Defense following an earlier statement by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. But why this new turn? And why this new decision? Well, Abu Dhabi has clarified that its military presence in Yemen was part of the Arab coalition supporting the internationally recognized government, and that changing ground realities had prompted the decision to pull back. The decision also follows Saudi airstrikes on Yemen's port city of Mukalla. Riyadh said the strikes targeted a weapons shipment allegedly linked to the UAE and meant for separatist forces. The incident exposed growing differences between Saudi Arabia and the UAE over Yemen's future. Notably, Yemen has been trapped in civil war since 2014 when Houthi rebels seized the capital Sana'a. Saudi Arabia and the UAE intervened a year later to restore the government. Now, while large-scale fighting eased after 2022, the conflict remains deeply unstable. And here comes the role of Southern Transitional Council. The Southern Transitional Council, backed by the UAE, controls much of southern Yemen. Formed in 2017, the STC wants an independent South Yemen. It now holds key ports, oil facilities, and border crossings, strengthening its bargaining power. Now, Saudi Arabia has carried out airstrikes and repositioned its forces, warning the STC against further expansion. The fragile balance between anti-Houthi factions has now broken, raising serious doubts about peace and stability in Yemen. Were you aware of this information or not? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.